Is it the right time to buy or sell the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? In this video, we will go in depth on the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, October 30, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 30, 2023, our system has ranked SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Although the stock has experienced some natural fluctuations, it currently shows a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. Currently, the ETF is in the midst of a falling trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further decline within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -8.60% change expected over the next 3 months. The estimated return during this period ranges between -9.81% and -4.13%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -7% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -8.11% to 1.99%. This would result in a price range of $62.20 to $69.04 after 12 months. Our latest update for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF brings good news. The technical forecast for this ETF is stronger, indicating a positive trend in its price after Monday's trading session. On Monday, the 30th of October 2023, the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF saw a gain of 1.18% in its price. It rose from $66.90 to $67.69. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.96%, reaching a low of $67.19 and a high of $67.83. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a decrease of -4.86%. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 1 million shares. In total, approximately $352.02 million worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 5 million shares traded. It's important to note that a decrease in volume when prices are rising can indicate potential changes in the market in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of this ETF was $79.49, while the lowest price was $66.67. Currently, the price is 14.84% or $11.80 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 17.93% or $14.79 below its all-time high, which was reached on the 5th of January 2022, with a price of $82.48. Let's take a look at the signals for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and since then, the ETF has risen by 1.18%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that despite the price increase, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign. We recommend closely monitoring the ETF's performance. Additionally, there are some negative signals to consider. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In terms of resistance levels, corrections upwards may face resistance at $68.38 and $70.70. If the ETF breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. It's also worth noting that the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots indicator shows a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicate a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 53 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average suggests a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 22 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. When it comes to support levels, SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF has found support from accumulated volume at $66.90. This level may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. In terms of movement, this ETF tends to have very controlled and stable movements. It also has good liquidity, which means that the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Looking at recent data, the ETF had a price range of $0.644 between its high and low, representing a 0.96% difference. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for the ETF has been around 1.17%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is at $71.43. If you currently don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF encounters its first support level at $66.90. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $64.01, which is a decrease of 5.43%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has been detected from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF a good buy? SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity holds several negative signals and should be considered a sell candidate. However, due to the potential for a turnaround, it can be seen as a hold candidate or one to accumulate while waiting for further development. Our analysis conclusion has been upgraded for this ETF from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, October 31st, we expect SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF to open down $0.121 and begin trading at $67.57. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. We want to emphasize that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, what is your target for the ETF? Let us know. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you successful trades. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.